animals. We are set up for an afternoon hunt here. Got Dad with me from out of town, and he came up to hunt for the day. We hunted this morning, but didn't really have much going. Had some birds gobbling behind us, but nothing ever came our direction, so came to a different farm tonight. This is the farm where Dylan and I doubled about a week ago, and the landowner's been seeing him in this pasture pretty much every evening, he says. So it's kind of rainy and drizzly and a little cooler today, so I'm not sure how fired up they're gonna be, but we're just gonna kind of sit here in the nice warm comfy blind and wait them out and see if anything comes by. About 4 o'clock right now, so hopefully between now and 6 we'll have something come work, but in the meantime we're gonna sit here and eat some snacks and stay dry, so stay tuned. Birds coming. Long beard. Nope, Jake's. One's got a pretty good beard on him for being a Jake. Nothing spurs though. Yep. That one hand's got a beard. You see that? Yeah. She's got more beard than the second Jake. You see any more birds coming from the... What? You see any more birds coming from the left? Not yet. To be fair, those Jakes popped out in 4 steps. I'd kind of like to get my bow in my hand, but I don't want to move right at the moment. Well, what a way to kick off the season here in Nebraska. Dad was able to punch his tag on this bird tonight, and very wet and rainy and soggy, and we didn't think it was going to happen. And then we had a whole group of birds come in and give us a run around for a long time, and Dad was finally able to get a shot with the recurve and lay down another one. So it's April 1st here, we got a lot of season left, but it's starting off hot and heavy here in Nebraska. So stay tuned for episode 3, but for now we're going to get this thing wrapped up and out of here.